Alright, so in this video I'm going to completely disassemble the LTM1300 so that I can repaint it. Starting off, I'll take the super lift wing off. Wind up the string. Now I'll take the pulley set off. This part's plastic. I have the YCC kit for it. It comes with a metal set like that. But it came apart. It's real delicate. I have to solder it back together. Right here's the metal one. I have to solder this back together. Because they didn't really have it welded very good, but that won't be a big issue. This one I'll repaint it anyway, just in case something happens to the metal one. Now I'll take the wing off. There's just 4 pins that hold it on. I have to drill out some rivets. Need a bigger bit. This is a 3/32 bit. I always use on 16. There's those. These I've replaced before. These pendants used to be plastic and I got metal ones now. And I replaced the rivet with a little finish nail. So it should pop out of there. Sheave drum assembly just pins in. Just two little pins right here. They're just on there like that. It just pulls apart. Yeah. I glued that pin in so it wouldn't fall out. It should break apart. That one's really in there. It's almost out. The head on the nail broke. So there it goes. Now the super lift wings all broke down except for the drum. Drill the rivet out. Watch the spring. Alright. Now, getting to the crane, take off the hook block. Line the string back up. One thing you might want to do if you repaint your model or something is replace the string. A lot of crane collectors do that. We use a 18-pound Muskie Master braided fishing line. They come in 100-yard spools that are like between $11 and $14, or you can get them for 1,200-yard spools, which are like, I think they're $80 to $100. Can't remember. I never got one that with that much string on it, but I usually just get 18-pound string for these. Pretty much all the small cranes. I only use the 27-pound line for like the Trex CC8800 or LR1750 and 18,000. Big cranes like that because the boom is real heavy. There's a lot of weight. But the 18-pound line is perfect for these cranes. It's not thick, and it rolls really smooth on the sheaves. I used to get it from a website called Pastica's. I haven't gotten any in a while. I don't know if the website's still up or not. But if it is, I'll put a link in the description. Now this ladder and this handrail are from the YCC kit, and this cable spool is for the from the YCC kit. Another thing that's from the kit is this ladder on the back, right here. And this spanner metal piece right here on the bottom of the cylinders is from the kit. And so is the super lift pulley set, and these windshield wipers and window trim. I've never put these on yet because I had to paint them. And there's also little mesh grating that go on the steps. Don't think you can really see it. Also, you get this diamond plate. Covers this toolbox in the back. And I think there was one more mesh walkway, but I never could figure out where it went. I don't think I put it on. Take the boom off now to get rid of a lot of weight. Just pull these two pins off from the cylinders. They're just friction pins. And then you can knock the pin out. It holds the boom, which is underneath this walkway. And I think the walkway is just pinned on top. Flat screwdriver, pry it up. Yeah, it's just two little pins right here. And now you can get to the boom pin and just knock that out. I think you can still see it. Just pull that out. Now the boom is free and the pendants. I'll pull the boom apart later. Also, you can pull this cylinder pin out. It's another friction pin. You have to pull this panel off to get to the other pin, which I guess I'll do right now. Unscrew the body. Just one screw underneath. It has a washer on it. Now the body's free. There's a couple screws underneath. Here's the side panel. Now you can get that to that pin. I just can't seem to hold on to anything. I would highly recommend getting these boom cylinders. They make it a lot easier to adjust the crane. And they're worth every penny. I still have the old cylinders.